Hi, connecting your Bluetooth device to the 2025 Nissan Qashqai is quick and easy. First, on your main display, tap Settings, then select Connections. If your list is already full, press the eye icon next to a previously connected device and press Delete, and then Yes. This is the best way to clear space for a new connection. Next, choose Add New. The car will enter pairing mode under the name My Car. Now turn on Bluetooth on your phone and search for My Car. Tap Connect, compare the pairing codes on both screens and press Pair. Tap Yes if you want this smartphone to be your default main connection. And that's all. Your phone is now connected to the Nissan Media System. To start listening, just go to your Sources menu and make sure you have Bluetooth audio selected. Now you can play any music from your phone through the car speakers.